Hi there, this is Pamela again from Dragonfly Studios. I'm just beginning to do house sign. It's really probably hard to see because it's black. There we go, black on black. But what I'm starting with are these little black tiles. Trying to get the numbers just right takes just time. You gotta be patient and line them up just how you like them. The reason why I'm doing black is because I'm gonna do a lighter color background after I get the numbers down. And this lighter color will make the numbers really pop. Very carefully picking up and putting the tiles down. For some people, this would be incredibly, I don't know, maybe monotonous or stressful. But I find it extremely soothing. Just got my number 3 down with the glue. Now you'll see that the glue is white. You can see the white, but when it dries clear. So you won't see that. Plus, once I grout, then you won't see the glue at all. So that's step 1, is getting the numbers laid out perfectly and starting the gluing process. So I will come back to you when I am at the next stage. All right, cheers.